I swear, every single time I put this phone down, this boy is just getting one after another one. Come on. I haven't even touched, I haven't even gotten my rod in the water, man.
Sure, can. I mean, you can take my spot.
No, it's okay. Keep catching it, buddy. It's your spot.
I have multiple spots actually, so you can take one of them.
Thank you. Just take it. Okay. Nice.
That was the easy one. That was a slide up.
Yeah, no, that was, yeah.
Well, time to meet you with the other friends because there's a lot more.
Oh.
Bro just wanted to jump out.
I saw that. He was ready to go.